Python UTC datetime objects ISO format doesn't include Z, Zulu or 0 offset. Why Python 2.7 doesn't include Z character, Zulu or 0 offset at the end of UTC datetime objects ISO format string unlike JavaScript? Whereas in JavaScript,
Python datetime objects don't have time zone info by default, and without it, Python actually violates the ISO 8601 specification, if no time zone info is given, assumed to be local time. You can use the pyths package to get some default time zones, or directly subclass synfo yourself. Then you can manually add the time zone info to it now. Note that this does conform to the ISO 8601 format, which allows for either Z or +00:00 as the suffix for UTC. Note that the latter actually conforms to the standard better, with how time zones are represented in general. UTC is a special case.
Option: ISO format. Python's datetime does not support the military time zone suffixes like Z suffix for UTC. The following simple string replacement does the trick. strd is essentially the same as d.isoformat sep equals. C. Datetime, Python's standard library. Option: strophtime. Or you could use strophtime to achieve the same effect. Note, this option works only when you know the date specified is in UTC. See datetime.strophtime. Additional, human-readable time zone. Going further, you may be interested in displaying human-readable time zone information, pyths with strophtime %z time zone flag.
Short answer. Long answer. The reason that the Z is not included is because datetime.now and even datetime.ucknow return time zone naive datetimes, that is to say datetimes with no time zone information associated. To get a time zone aware datetime, you need to pass a time zone as an argument to datetime.now. For example, once you have a time zone aware timestamp, ISO format will include a time zone designation. Thus, you can then get an ISO 8601 timestamp via +00:00 is a valid ISO 8601 time zone designation for UTC. If you want to have Z instead of +00:00, you have to do the replacement yourself.
The following JavaScript and Python scripts give identical outputs. I think it's what you are looking for. JavaScript, Python. The output they give is the UTC, Zulu, time formatted as an ISO string with a 3 millisecond significant digit and appended with a Z.